Okay, let's start the unboxing of beginner level painting material. I received the order today. Let's unbox it. First of all, thanks for watching and welcome to my channel, guys. As I said, here I am unboxing the beginner level painting material. I have ordered A5 sized multimedia sketchbook, guys. It is used for color paintings like watercolors, acrylic colors, and sketching. Tada! Here I am unboxing Fevicryl acrylic colors. Oh my god, I have received painting box as well as the brushes. Fevicryl acrylic colors and eclet brushes. Guys, now I am unpacking eclet brushes. There are total 12 brushes which has its own kind. They came in black and golden color. The brush is made up of nylon feathers. Look how shiny they are looking. Golden color tip. First time feeling the brushes is amazing. The feathers are very smooth. Can't wait to paint with these brushes. The design look very classic. I love the design. Brush holder is made up of aluminium for durability. Let's see how long it lasts. Now I'm unboxing Fevicryl acrylic painting. Let's unbox the Fevicryl acrylic painting. The packaging cover also have high quality. They have used high quality cover. I liked it. Wow, it looked very pretty. Box is very cute. I have also received promo pack along with the colors, which contained mold, clay mold. I will make one art piece from the clay mold, and I will show how to mix the clay mold and how to make an art piece. I will post the video. Let's open the box. There are total 10 colors. Box is looking quite pretty. Let's open the colors. Now I am opening the mold. Anyway, I got it for free. I have to make some art out of it. There are two packets. One is a mold and another one is a binder. We have to mix it well to obtain the proper clay. Let's start unpacking the notebook. Here actually I forgot that I am recording and I am unpacking without showing it to the camera. It happens as I am so interested in the sketchbook because it's my first sketchbook. Let's speed up the process a bit. Let's start painting. Here I have accidentally chosen red and yellow color, which are very vibrant, and they also represent kumkum and turmeric. The strokes are very smooth. And here we came to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Take care. Bye.